The AOBEN Biscuit Cutter Plate Joiner listing positions the tool as a value-minded competitor with practical shop-style specifications. The product page lists an 8.5 amp motor, a 4-inch tungsten carbide-tipped blade, cutting speed around 11,000 RPM, a groove width near 5/32 inches, preset stops for number 0, number 10, and number 20 biscuits, plus an M manual depth mode, and an adjustable tilt fence that locks between 0 degrees and 90 degrees. The package often includes a generous biscuit assortment, a dust bag, and sometimes accessory bits and wrenches, all of which make the AOBEN attractive to DIYers who want complete supplies with the tool. Customer feedback on the Amazon page highlights that buyers like the combination of accessories and biscuits included, praising it as an excellent value package for one-time projects or small shops. Positive reviews commonly cite good cutting power, easy-to-use stops, and solid finish for the price. Critical notes from some buyers mention assembly or alignment assistance being required, and a few recommend swapping in a premium blade for heavy industrial use. Others remind prospective purchasers that warranty and long-term durability vary with third-party brands, so heavy daily production use might be better served by legacy toolmakers. Overall, AOBEN's offering is a practical, budget-friendly option for homeowners and light trade users who want immediate consumables and a capable cutter in one shipment, especially handy when you need biscuits on hand and want to avoid extra trips to buy consumables. We share by links in description box.